In this video, we will be seeing about HTML elements. So HTML elements are nothing but whatever we write as a tag is called HTML element, and they can nest other elements in them. So the tags, when we write something in angular brackets in the HTML document, that is called HTML element. Like suppose we have the basic HTML program. We start it with HTML tag and end it with closing HTML tag. So this is also called HTML element. And within the HTML, we will be having the header tag, which also is called the HTML element. So as it is a tag or part of HTML document. Similarly, we have body tag, which is also one of the HTML element. So the tags which can contain other tags in them are called HTML elements. So other than HTML head body, we also have tags like H1, which is one of the heading tags. Similarly, we have paragraph tag, which will create a paragraph like text. And also we have so here H1, P, head, body, HTML, all these tags which can contain other tags in them come under HTML elements. So HTML elements are nothing but the tags. These are HTML tags that can contain other elements in them. So HTML tags are only called HTML elements which can contain other HTML tags in them. So here we can say HTML 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements present in this program. So we can say from starting to ending, each tag is called as HTML element. Like HTML elements contain a tag, opening tag and a closing tag and some content in between them. That content can again combine a different element tag along with the web page content. So if we are having any tag like line break tag, we have, so it just breaks the line, it does not contain any content, then it is called HTML empty element. So this is called as HTML empty element, whereas all others are called HTML elements which contains some content. So let's see it in a HTML program. So here we already have a HTML program where in the first line we are having the document type, which is HTML. Then we have the HTML starting tag, which is also having the HTML ending tag. Then we have head section and body section, which is defined by opening and closing of head tag and opening and closing of body tag. Within the head, we have a page title, web page title. So within the title tag, in between opening and closing of title tag, we have given the web page title as my first HTML program. And in the body, we have here H1 to H6 tags, which are heading tags, which we have seen already in one of the videos. So here I'm using only H1 tag, which will be acting as the HTML element here. And then I'm using here P. So HTML stands for hypertext markup language, which I'm giving as a paragraph text in between the paragraph tag. And then I'm using here a line break PR, which will be just breaking the line. Sorry. Breaking the line. And then again, I am going to take a P tag. I'm copying this and pasting it again, where I'm going to write HTML is a web designing language. So for designing web pages, we use HTML. So now let's see how this comes in a web page. So when I open this in browser, I will be getting by this h1 tag we get hello as the heading. So as it is a heading tag, the highest font size heading tag, we get hello in the highest font size. Then in the paragraph, we are having HTML stands for hypertext markup language. And again, line break, that's the reason we got a empty space in between them, because the cursor has moved to a new line again. And again, HTML is web designing language, as separate line we are getting. So this is how the text is displayed using different HTML elements. So HTML elements we can use for structuring of our HTML document. So for structuring in different forms or in different designs, we can use this HTML elements or tags. So thank you for watching the video, and more about this HTML tags in detail we will be seeing in coming videos. Also, we will be seeing about CSS and JavaScript. So please do subscribe the channel, and thanks again for watching the video.